Hi there, this is Naman, your host, and I'm really excited to introduce you to a social media AI agent that can actually take care of content creation on your behalf. Now, I know that managing social media strategy can sometimes feel overwhelming because juggling between different platforms, tones, and schedules is not an easy task, right? So, what this AI agent does is actually it streamlines the entire process and delivers a ready to use content calendar to you in just a few minutes. Now, let's dive in and I'll show you how it actually works. Now, don't be scared by looking at this entire chart because before I show you the AI agent in action, it's important that you understand the process behind it. And don't worry, I won't go through each and every module over here. What I'll do is I'll briefly sum up how this agent is working in the backend. Now, for this particular AI agent to work and execute each and every task properly, what we need is a Google Sheet with a bunch of ideas that we can create content around. So once we have that particular sheet, what this AI agent will do is it will take all the ideas, then start generating captions and image content for all those ideas. And once it's done, it will upload the image to a Google Drive folder. And at the end, it will update a new Google Sheet where all our content, all our image, everything will be present over there. And that content sheet then we can simply send to a content scheduler and can schedule our content over there. Now, let me dive in and show you how it actually works. So as you can see, I've got a content calendar right over here. And in this particular calendar, I've only got ideas that we can create content around. Now, this ideas, again, I have generated entirely through ChatGPT. But for this particular example, what I'm going to do is we will only focus on the first four. So only these four particular columns, and we'll tell the AI agent to just run the automation for these columns. So all I gotta do is press run once and it will start executing this command. Now, once I press run once, it will take a few minutes to complete the content for each and every column that we have provided it with. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, so the execution is complete, and all we gotta do is check our Google Sheets to see if this executed properly or not. Now, let's go back to our Google Sheets. Oh, and as you can see, we have already got some exciting content over here. Now, if we go back to this particular sheet where the content for Facebook is updated, we can see that we have got a date, a time for the scheduler, then we have got the caption over here, and then these are just the links to any images that will be used over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'll quickly download this particular file and then we'll upload it to the content scheduler that we'll be using. Okay, so I've got my content scheduler open right over here. What I'll do is I'll create a new post and then I'll upload the CSV that we downloaded. There we go. It'll take some time. Okay, next. Now I gotta connect a social media account over here. It was for Facebook, so let's do Facebook and create. Now this content scheduler will actually give us an option to review all the posts that are included in one particular CSV. Right now, since we have only uploaded one post, it is only showing us number of post one, but it will give us an option to review all those posts. And once we have reviewed, it will allow us to schedule it. So yeah, as you can see, we can go ahead and click on review and schedule. It will open up the post, and as you can see, if we expand it, there we go. We have got multiple images as it was a multiple images post 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have got 5 images and all those images are uploaded over here. And we have also got the caption, the hashtags, everything over here. So that's how this particular tool will work for you and will create content on automation without you even having to do anything on your own. So as you can see, This AI agent eliminates the guesswork and manual effort from social media planning. Whether you are building brand awareness or driving sales, this tool ensures your strategy is both consistent and impactful. Now, if this sounds like something that your business could benefit from, or if you want to implement something similar to this to your business, then just let me know and we can have a quick chat over it. Cheers.